Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited diamonds in the game Mobile Legends. So this works on iOS and Android in 2025, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So I know that a lot of people have no money in Mobile Legends, and I totally understand that. So I found the Mobile Legends mod. It's on this website called zoomods.com. So come over here and type in Mobile Legends. And you're going to see a bunch of apps, but the one we're interested in is the Mobile Legends mod right there. So we're going to press on it, and it's going to start downloading. So let's wait for it to download. So this is super cool, guys. It actually works, and you can actually get unlimited diamonds in Mobile Legends using this mod. So let's just wait for it to download, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So anyway, guys, there's going to be one more step, and it is a verification. So basically what we have to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're completely free, and they're from the official app store. So as you can see, it says Mobile Legends mod installer. Please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. So there's going to show a list of apps, and you just need to download 2 of these apps. It doesn't matter which one, but the big thing is a lot of people will not read the instructions below each app. So for instance, Fetch says install open and sign up. Text Now says install open and make a 30-second call. Alibaba says down run for 30 seconds. So make sure you read those instructions and complete them, and then you're going to get the Mobile Legends mod. So as you can see, it redirected me to the Play Store where I have to download the app. Now if you're using an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store, but I'm on an iPhone. So anyway, guys, that is how you get free diamonds in Mobile Legends in 2025. So this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But remember, guys, if you do the verification step right here, you will get the Mobile Legends mod onto your device. So just download 2 of the apps and you're going to be good to go. You can see down here it says complete 2 more offers to continue. So they are actively looking to make sure you did it. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.